Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Amherst is a little-known manufacturer from China, but its last smartphone, Amherst Pure 1, was one of the best-selling devices on Geo-based online store. Recently, the company released next generation of smartphone called Amherst Pure 2. It has amazing 6-inch bezel-less display from Samsung, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and 16-megapixel dual-rear camera. Right now, you can buy a new smartphone for only $130. Are you interested? Then watch our first review. Later, we will try to get it for real unboxing and review in depth. The main feature of new smartphone is bezel-less design. It has minimal bezels on 3 sides, just like Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. It means that front camera is located under the display. The back panel has dual-rear camera and fingerprint reader. It seems that back panel is made of glass, but I'm not sure, maybe it is a plastic. However, I know exactly that smartphone has aluminum alloy frame. It makes device durable. At the bottom you can find USB Type-C port. Amherst Pure 2 is available in 2 color options, black and blue. As for the display, it is another highlight of smartphone. It has a diagonal 6 inches and 80:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is only HD+, 1440 by 720 pixels. You should not forget that it is a budget smartphone, so manufacturer cannot equip it with Full HD display. The screen looks amazing on official images, but we should wait for real photos and videos. As you know, quite often a smartphone looks different in real life than on official photos. Amherst Pure 2 is powered by MediaTek MTK 6750. It is entry-level chipset with clock speed 1.5 GHz. Also there is 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. The smartphone supports microSD memory cards up to 256GB. I don't see real benchmarks results of Amherst Pure 2, but MTK 6750 chipset scores about 40,000 points. I expect the same result from new smartphone. Amherst Pure 2 is equipped with dual-rear camera, 16-megapixel and 2-megapixel. Dual camera provides bokeh effect and some other interesting features. Also, the smartphone has 30-megapixel front camera. There is a beauty mode with skin buffing, facelift, big eyes, and other modes. It is too early to talk about image quality because the smartphone doesn't go on sale yet. Amherst Pure 2 has 36 mAh battery. To be honest, this is not the biggest battery that I have ever seen. I think that 6-inch smartphone can have bigger battery. However, the manufacturer promises 420 hours of standby time, 16 hours of video play, and 12 hours of playing games. The smartphone comes with USB Type-C port, so maybe it supports fast charging, but it is not exactly. The price of Amherst Pure 2 is about $130. If the smartphone looks in real life like on official photos, then it is a great deal. This is beautiful smartphone with thin bezels, good hardware, promising cameras, and very attractive price. Thanks for watching. In the description you can find links where to buy smartphone cheaper. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.